So now let's move on. This is paper AAA. It's not difficult. Yeah, it's not difficult. It's challenging. That means it would be interesting. So when it comes to paper AAA, many of the students, they take the unnecessary pressure or the fear that AAA paper AAA is not from this planet. This is something from Mars. No, this is the paper of this planet Earth, and paper AAA Advanced Audit and Assurance, basically it needs the analytical skills. It needs the professional skepticism. I'm 100% sure that you people are carrying the basic knowledge of paper AA audit and assurance, and obviously of the accounting standards as well. So what is the basic root cause that people used to think that this paper is very much difficult? That is basically what I do believe, that is the lack of understanding of the accounting knowledge. Why? Because auditor tests the financial statements. We all agree on that. Auditor tests the financial statements. So before doing the audit, the auditor must have the knowledge of the accounting standard first, and then the auditing skill naturally as well. Yes, for sure. So the what I can sense that many of the students are not recalling the basic concepts of accounting standards at SBR level, because this is the advanced audit and assurance, and so you should have the knowledge of advanced level of accounting. So that's why people used to think, they should think, but they believe that this is the difficult paper. This is not the difficult paper. This is something challenging, but you can do it. Don't worry about it. You can do it. My students secured nationwide positions in paper AAA. Many of the students, it is basically the hard work of the students. What you are supposed to do, you just have to follow the pathway. You just have to follow the guidelines by your tutor, that's me, and you need to attempt your mock papers, your assignments, and all that stuff. But believe me, this is not the difficult paper as such, as the rumors had spread across the world that this is over. Yeah, I can understand that this paper is having the least pass rates if you compare with the other optional papers.